Angela, how long does it take to get a trademark registration? People ask me that frequently. I'm going to spend the next 3 minutes discussing that issue. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to discuss trademarks and copyrights. So people often ask me, how long does it take to get a trademark registration? And the answer is a really long time, longer than you might think. So understand that when you file a trademark application, we don't get that application examined by the trademark examiner for 4 to 5 months. So when you apply, we get in line behind everybody else who's ahead of us, and then we wait for the trademark examiner to examine the application. And that takes anywhere right now from 4 to 5 months. After the application is examined, the examiner will say yes, and then it proceeds to publication for opposition. They will say, yes, but we need a little bit more information, in which case the examiner contacts me as the contact of record, as the attorney, and they say, hey, I need a little bit more information about something on the application, or I need you to alter this, or let's discuss this issue, and I discuss that with them. Or they might say no, in which case we are invited to respond to their rejection with legal arguments of our own. Now, even if the application proceeds to publication for opposition, what does that mean? It means that it is published so that third parties may register any objections that they have to your trademark. If they register an objection, that is called an opposition. They may file an opposition, and if someone files an opposition against your trademark, it can greatly extend the length of time that it might take to get your trademark registered. Opposition proceedings can go about 2 years before they're finally resolved. So just be aware that just because the trademark examiner says yes, that's not the end of the trademark process if someone files an opposition against your trademark application. So if everything goes smoothly and you don't have an opposition filed against your trademark application, then you should expect to get a trademark registration certificate at about 10 to 11 months. So that's the trademark process in a nutshell. And if you have any questions about trademark or copyright law, I invite you to drop those into the comments below, and I will answer them on a future live video. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. I'm on YouTube at video.TrademarkDoctor.net/YouTube, and I'm also on Facebook at Facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor.